Clarke CTC150 12-volt digital tire inflator is a powerful digital air compressor powered from a 12-volt car adapter. Light in weight, the CTC150 has a maximum operating pressure of 150 psi or 10.3 bar. It is capable of quickly inflating tires for cars, motorcycles, vans and bikes. With a maximum airflow of 22 litres per minute, it can inflate a tire from flat to 30 psi in only 3 minutes. The digital pressure gauge can display units in pounds per square inch, bar, kilopascals or kilograms per square centimetre. It is ideal for maintaining and monitoring vehicle tyre pressures, enhancing both driver safety and fuel efficiency. Activated by a trigger switch with a slide lock, this tyre inflator has a backlit digital pressure display and an LED work light for low light conditions. The CTC150 includes a handy 3-piece adapter set with integrated storage, making it also suitable for general household inflatables. Supplied with a 12-volt power cable, a flexible air hose, ball pin and narrow and wide adapters, the CTC150 will satisfy all your inflation needs for many years to come.